it was a very friendly environment. I went to shul with my mother. Then I don't know what happened. I used to have to, my brothers and I would have to go to Hebrew school after elementary school, that first after kindergarten, and then till I was bar mitzvah, 13. And the thing I started to wonder is what's going on when there was the usual elections in the United States. And the rabbi said she had to vote Republican. I said, I don't understand. He said, when she came to the United States, there was a Republican president. Therefore, every Jew has to vote Republican. I said, that's crazy. And but I had trouble shaking. My brothers and I couldn't shake her. I said, do you like what the Republicans stand for or are doing? She said, no, they should not be a Republican president. So I said, why are you voting Republican? Because the rabbi said so. So then I started to wonder, what kind of a religion is this? And then at Hebrew school, the instructor was sometimes always say, he'd pick me out and say, did you do your homework? And I said, no. He says, you got to do your homework or else you're not a good Jew. So I asked, well, what's a bad Jew? I actually asked him, what's a bad Jew? And a bad Jew is one who does not listen to the rabbi. That's his definition. But I said, there's got to be something wrong here. So I got out a book from the library about religions, all kinds of religions. And I suddenly saw they all had their customs and all that, but nowhere did I read that, like, the rabbi had that much power or that much power. So by this time I was in high school, I think a freshman or a sophomore. And one of the things I read about in this book was Unitarianism. And I said, that's like Judaism, except it's more liberal. Maybe that's what I am. So I decided, that's what I am. So I told my mother. And she said, well, it would please her very much if I got bar mitzvah, and it would please her father, my grandfather. But otherwise, you thought it out and you do what you think best.